In this video, I'm going to show you how to find low competition keywords with high traffic that will help you grow your YouTube channel faster. You can see here that I manage multiple YouTube channels. Let me show you something powerful. We're here in YouTube Studio. We're going to search by views, and I'm going to do greater than 200,000 views. You can see these two videos right here have over 200,000 views. This one at 300,000 almost, and this one just at over 500,000. Let's go into this one and go to analytics. There are two ways to get discovered on YouTube as a brand new channel: YouTube search and YouTube suggested. When you are a small brand new YouTube channel, it's rare to get discovered by suggested, but look at the search volume on this one video, 94.6%. It has earned me $1,500. It has gained me almost 6,000 subscribers. In this one video alone, monetize this entire YouTube channel. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to go to a website called keyword.io. It's all about the keywords, my friend. So let's just use my fitness YouTube channel as an example. Here we are on Elite Fit with Andrea with just over 3,000 subscribers. Growing on this channel is a bit more tricky because it is a very saturated market, but not by doing what I'm going to show you right here. You have to be patient when it comes to search on YouTube. It takes longer, but it is highly effective. You could search through Google or YouTube. I'm going to pick Google because a lot of my traffic actually comes from Google. Looking here at Elite Fit with Andrea, look at this, YouTube search 14%. Let's go to external. Lo and behold, Google search is at 21.1%, topping the list on external traffic. You have to get found first, oftentimes, before YouTube will suggest you. Let's just pick a workout style that is my favorite, and you're going to apply this to your YouTube channel and your space. I'm going to click Tabata here and see what keywords I get. Click search. You'll get a pop-up like this asking you to sign up for free. I'm just going to go ahead and click no thanks. Now here are all the possible options using the keyword Tabata, 594. Now I'm just going to go through here and decide what videos that I could potentially create content on. Fun Tabata workout, no equipment Tabata workout, Tabata with weights, full body Tabata. And you can see right here on the right-hand side, they've moved over to 6 picked keywords. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to copy all these keywords. So I'm going to highlight them, right click and click copy. The next free resource I'm going to go to is KWFinder.com. It's this one right here. You'll see it says Mangools KWFinder. Now sign up for the free 10-day trial. It will be worth it. You can see here at the top, it says go to app. I want you to click that. Also at the top, we can see search and import. Click import. Here is where we are going to paste those keywords that we just copied. Right click, paste. You can add up to 25 keywords in here. Looking on the right-hand side, you could select your location if you wanted to. I'm going to click anywhere and process keywords. Now looking at this, it can be a bit overwhelming, but let me walk you through very quickly. You can see this keyword, free Tabata workout, has a difficulty score of 33. If you can get it under 30, that's amazing. How about this one, full body Tabata workout, 35. If you click right here where it says KD, there's a drop down with an up arrow and a down arrow. Click that. Rank your keyword difficulty. This is your search volume. The higher the number, the better for you. If I click this one, full body Tabata workout with weights, we can see the keyword difficulty is 42. That's a bit higher, so I would choose to do one that is lower. Over here on the right-hand side, I like this for some research. I'm going to click this YouTube one. It says that this is ranking pretty high, and it's bringing me to this YouTube channel right here, Tabata Songs. And this video has almost 1 million views. The next thing that I would do is do a little research on Tabata Songs and see what other popular videos that they have on the channel. Now there is also a free resource in YouTube. It is the research tab. So click this video on screen now so that I can show you how I combine these two strategies to find the best possible keywords to get discovered as a small YouTube channel, make some money and grow. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.